astonishing. Yo, what's up, my people? I hope everyone is doing great. I hope everyone is doing fantastico. Okay, guys, so we're gonna react to Love Bites, and this is a band. This is a female band, bro. Like, the first time I've made an encounter to Love Bite was like a month ago, and that was an excellent performance. Okay, guys, so we're gonna react to Armor of Wrath. Bro, those names are crazy. I mean, like, I wanna see if these females can live up to the Armor of Wrath name, because these names are crazy. I'm searching through some of these titles that these females name these bands performance, and I'm telling you, there are some crazy names, bro. Like, some crazy names. But I wanna check them out. I wanna see what's up. So without further ado, let's see what these females are doing. To be honest, ain't no way these are females, bro. Ain't no way these are females. Like, females, bro. Like, the bands, the drumming, the guitar playing, those are all men's work. But females, bro, come on, bro. That's crazy. Wow. I'm impressed, bro. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. So much people turn up just to see these women perform. I would love to be a part of those performances. I mean, like, yeah, a part of the crowd, the patrons. I would love to. This is mad crazy. Like, yo, this is mad crazy. Whoa, whoa, no way, no way, no way, no way. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way, ain't no way. Ain't no freaking way. They look so innocent, bro. The cover art, right? The thumbnail of the music videos, of the performance. They all look so innocent. But no more innocence after they touch on that stage. Because ain't no freaking way females contain so much energy. This is like the Ramstein bands, bro. No way, yo, dog. This is craziness. Like, she's dealing with the drum as if the drum on her is in some form of altercations. Then afterwards, she met that drum, then she floored that drum. She's taking all the anger on that drum. Bro. Damn. Yo, even the female with the guitar, man. That part is crazy good. They are talented. They are talented, especially for the female who's singing. Her voice is angelic. Fascination, man. Keep it coming, bro. She's dressed in a full white dress, looking like a, let's see, a bride, right? An innocent looking bride who can cook, wash, clean, who knows nothing at all about music. This is her. This is how she dressed. And trust me, she's monstrous, man. Yo, these people need to come to Jamaica someday to perform because I'll be there just to experience what these patrons are experiencing. Trust me, I would love to be there, man. Like, the energy is just right, it's connected. Yo, who else is feeling good while watching? Who else is feeling good while experiencing what others are while seeing them personally? Me, definitely me, bro. Yo, they are crazy, man. They are crazy. Based on how she holds the mic and she's giving what the crowd needs, that says a lot. A lot of practice is being done. A lot of, upliftment is being done here. And I gotta say, the crowd are interacting very well. The crowd knows them. The crowd is doing what they are giving. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. The drummer, she's riding the beat. The guitarist, she's riding the beat. The singer, they are riding the beat. The crowd, they are on the pitch as well, riding. Yo, man. Females like this are very brave, man. Trust me. They are very brave. Yo, this is one of the sickest beats I've heard, man. Especially coming from drumming or bands. One of the sickest beats, man. Bro, this is crazy good, man. They are getting with the times. I've encountered so much bands and I react to them, right? I've reacted to so much bands. Metallica, Ramstein, Ado, right? Those bands, right? And I'm telling you, these females, the LOVEBITES, stands out differently. They are in a class by themselves. Trust me, these performances are longevity music and will last for a lifetime based on what the lifespan of audiences retains. Because some people have short lifespan when it comes down to music, while some have a long lifespan when it comes down to music. So if the world should evolve, right, while it's evolving now, and people literally can gravitate to their music, then eventually these music will last forever, right? Some people have short attendance span, while some people have long attendance span. It's just that. It's just that. And I never compliment her on the stance. The stance is crazy. The stance is a masterpiece here. Just they deserve an award. An awardee should be them, the love bites. Question: does these female, the love bites, gain an award before? I want to know because they must have gained an award based on the performance here. Yo, this looks good. This looks really good. I mean, like everyone here, especially the guitarists for the females, I think no one can compete at the moment in their category. Because if we should make any form of comparison, we'd have some form of doubt. And there's no doubt here. Yo, I'm feeling the music, though. Come on, bro. Let's continue. I'm feeling the music. She's killing it, man. Astonishing. Very much astonishing. This is way too amusing. It amuses me. Like, I'm feeling great at the moment. Crazy, 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 crazy movement, crazy movement. Sweet, sweet, sweet pearl music. Oh my goodness. Hey, these women are powerful. Very powerful. She has vocals as well. She got vocals. If I was in that crowd, my voice would be the loudest of them all. Trust me, not even the bands can be as loud as me. I'll be raving, rocking the stage, man. She's gorgeous. She's cute, bro. She's cute. If I see her randomly on the street, not knowing that she's a musician, not knowing she's a part of the Love Bites music, I would not know that this female is such a powerful singer with such an astounding band. I would never know. Trust me. And I want to get familiar with this female. Hey, to all that know that long? Crazy good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Trust me, I enjoy this. I am enjoying it as well. I enjoyed it. Nice one, Love Bites. Nice one. That was a very good performance. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. If you guys have any more suggested videos that you'd like me to check out next, feel free to leave the comments down below and I'll be happy to check them out as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to leave a like, share the video, subscribe if you guys like this reaction, and stay tuned for more.